Hello, excuse me, sir.
How are you, sir?
Sir, I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah. May I ask you some question?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Okay. First of all, what's your name?
My name is Akib Mahmoud Lipu.
Okay. What's your nickname?
My nickname is Akib.
Okay. Where are you come from?
I'm from Faridpur.
May I ask you some another question?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Oh. Did you visit book fair?
Yes, I did. I visit with book fair with my friend and my family.
Okay, that's great. So, what is book fair?
Book fair is a place where various kinds of books are displayed and sold to bookseller to loves books.
Oh, that's great. When did you visit book fair?
I visit book fair in 1 year ago.
1 year ago. That's great. Where was book fair held at
Book fair on 21 February to celebrating in Mother Language Day.
What is the what was the venue of book fair? Where was the
Venue of book fair? It was held Bangla Academy in Dhaka, which is the most important field in Bangladesh.
Okay. Who organized it?
The organized in government by bookseller different house to help them.
Did you buy books?
Yes, I did few books, some English spoken books, English literature book. Just.
What are you saw in book fair?
I saw there are many kinds of books such as novel, poetry, and history, and science books, spoken books. It is.
Okay. What was your experience visit book fair?
I felt experience so happy. It was wonderful experience in my life. It was a memorable day in my life.
Okay, that's great. What's your future plan?
My future plan is to be abroad.
I think your future plan is go abroad for higher education.
Higher education.
Oh, that's great. Best wishes for you, and thank you very much
And
for
thank you
meeting me
very
and
much.
conversation. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.